Florida truck accident cases are probably one of the more complicated type of cases that we see. The most obvious reason is there are many, many different and additional rules and regulations that control truck drivers and trucking companies. A truck is just mechanically more complicated than a motor vehicle. There are many different things that could go wrong with the proper operation of the truck. Additionally, it's more complicated because people that get hit by trucks usually suffer much more severe and complicated injuries than being hit by an ordinary motor vehicle.